be so awkward if you now. No. I'm literally on his neck. Flash is like, I'm just gonna keep walking. He's like that because he uses his neck. So I'm like on it. Still waiting. Look at Joey. It's like kick him. Woo! Say hi, Millie. Hi. Oh, you did it. Is she doing the jump?
Okay, it's recording. Oh cool, you can zoom in on your recordings. Go let him get lollipop. I'm still recording. Am I meant to stop now? Hello, Mommy.
Oh, that is so cute. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
The relationship between human, horse and goat.
Oh my god, that's the cutest thing in the world. Right, that goat gets itches all the time. Come on, Abby.
Oh god, the goat's out to get me. The goat's out to get me. Can we go back to normal viewing? It's really hard to go down here when you're not exactly looking where you're going.
Come on.
That goat itches like every 10 seconds.
Come on. Do you want to see if we do it? Come on. Good man. Hey, stop. Stop it. Stop it. Rude. Don't be rude. Hello, goatie. Walk on. Oh God, goat. Hello. The goat scares me. My God, it's eating me. Hello.
Goatus! Goat! Come on, goat! Come on!
Joey? Thank you. Stop it, goat, and you're scaring me. Hello, goatee. So scary. Hello. Hello.
Meanwhile...
Oh my God, Holly!
Cannot see Holly and... Millie.